Unlock the power to programmatically send and receive text messages, directly integrating SMS into any application using simple web requests. At its core, interacting with Twilio for SMS relies on sending data to or receiving data from Twilio's powerful servers using standard HTTP requests, either POST or GET. Think of it as your application talking to Twilio over the internet, exchanging specific instructions and information. This fundamental communication method is what makes Twilio so versatile. To send an SMS, your application makes an HTTP POST request to Twilio's designated messaging URL. You include essential details like the recipient's phone number, your Twilio phone number, and the message content, all passed as parameters within your request. Twilio then processes your request and sends the SMS, responding with a status back to your application, confirming delivery or any issues. For incoming messages, Twilio works in reverse. When a message is sent to your Twilio number, Twilio makes an HTTP POST request to a URL you've configured, your webhook URL. This request contains all the message details, including the sender's number and the message body, allowing your application to receive and act upon the incoming SMS in real time. You define this webhook URL in your Twilio console, directing where incoming messages should be routed. Mastering these HTTP request patterns is crucial because it's the foundational method for integrating Twilio's powerful SMS capabilities into virtually any programming language or platform, enabling robust communication features. By understanding how to construct and interpret these simple web interactions, you're equipped to build dynamic SMS applications.